Plant FAQs. Philodendron Esmeraldense. Philodendron Esmeraldense. Unveiling the emerald jewel of the plant world. For passionate plant collectors, the Philodendron Esmeraldense is a coveted treasure. This captivating climber boasts stunning, elongated, and elegantly pleated leaves that shimmer with an emerald hue. But beyond its mesmerizing beauty, the Esmeraldense offers a unique challenge for plant enthusiasts. In this FAQ, I, Ferb, will share my experience and knowledge to guide you through everything you need to know about caring for this exquisite philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Philodendron Esmeraldense special? Unlike its more common philodendron cousins, the Esmeraldense isn't your average houseplant. It's a rare and highly sought-after species native to the rainforests of Ecuador. Here's what sets it apart. Elongated, pleated leaves. The Esmeraldense's most striking feature is its foliage. The long, slender leaves have a distinctive pleated texture, resembling a luxurious accordion. Velvety sheen. The leaves boast a velvety sheen that shimmers with an emerald green color. This mesmerizing quality adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Climbing habit. This philodendron is a natural climber, featuring aerial roots that readily attach to moss poles or other support structures. Watching it gracefully climb adds a dynamic element to your plant collection. Is the Philodendron Esmeraldense difficult to care for? While not necessarily difficult, the Esmeraldense does require specific conditions to thrive. Here's a breakdown of its needs. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. A well-lit east-facing window is ideal. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Temperature. The Esmeraldense flourishes in warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Humidity. This is a crucial element for the Esmeraldense. Ideally, aim for high humidity levels, around 60 to 70%. Regularly misting the leaves, using a pebble tray, or a humidifier can help achieve this. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is essential. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Philodendron Esmeraldense versus Philodendron Verrucosum. Another popular philodendron with a climbing habit is the Philodendron Verrucosum, also known as the monkey-tail philodendron. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide which one might be a better fit for you. Feature Philodendron Esmeraldense. Philodendron Verrucosum leaf, shape elongated, pleated split leaf, heart-shaped leaf, color emerald green, deep green, with silvery veins. Growth habit. Climbing light requirements bright, indirect medium to bright, indirect humidity requirements high, 60 to 70%, moderate to high, 50 to 60%. Care difficulty moderately challenging. The Esmeraldense boasts a more unique and elegant leaf shape with its emerald shimmer. However, the Verrucosum is generally considered slightly easier to care for regarding humidity levels. Philodendron Esmeraldense versus Patriciae. Esmeraldense boasts a broader form, distinguishing it from the slender and elongated Patriciae. For additional information, please refer to our coverage on Philodendron Patriciae. Tips for keeping your Philodendron Esmeraldense thriving. Fertilize. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Esmeraldense with a diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. Support. Provide a moss pole or another support structure for your plant to climb. This encourages healthy growth and allows the leaves to reach their full potential. Propagation. Propagating the Esmeraldense can be done through stem cuttings. However, it's a more challenging process compared to some other philodendrons. Conclusion. The reward of a thriving Philodendron Esmeraldense. While caring for the Philodendron Esmeraldense may require a bit more effort, the rewards are undeniably worth it. Witnessing this rare beauty unfurl its magnificent pleated leaves and climb gracefully towards the light is a truly enriching experience for any plant enthusiast. With careful attention to its specific needs, you can cultivate a thriving Esmeraldense that will become a cherished centerpiece in your collection.